Could this be your new favorite condiment? Molho e Campanha, or Brazilian Salsa Vinaigrette, is much like Mexican pico de gallo, but the flavors are much different. Instead of a citrus base from fresh limes or lemons, this Brazilian condiment has a solid vinegar base. So if you're thinking chips and dip, you'd want something that has a bit more substance because of the richer flavors, like pairing it with bread or fried yucca instead of tortilla chips. This classic Brazilian condiment starts with diced tomatoes, green bell peppers, onion, olive oil, white wine vinegar, though some recipes call for red wine vinegar, cilantro or parsley, and salt and pepper to taste. You'll pair this condiment with salads or grilled meats, or snack on it with some bread while you prepare the rest of your meal. A classic pairing is with feijoada, which is a hearty black bean stew with various cuts of pork. The acid in the vinaigrette will balance out the richness of the stew. So try this dish out the next time you're looking for a bright, flavorful condiment with your meal. Thanks to Elon Lucas for the recommendation. Saúde! To learn more about the world of condiments, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another episode. Till next time, my friends, savor the flavor.